Hey everyone, welcome to React course. In this lecture, we will understand what is Node.js. When you wanted to create React application, you have to install Node.js in your local computer. But why we need to install Node.js and what is Node.js? In this lecture, we will solve these questions. So, what is Node.js? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment. The Node runtime environment includes everything you need to execute a program written in JavaScript. Both your browser JavaScript and Node.js run on the version 8 JavaScript runtime engine. This engine takes your JavaScript code and converts it into a faster machine code. Machine code is just a low-level code which the computer can run without needing to first interpret it. Node.js package ecosystem (npm) is the largest ecosystem of open source libraries in the world. Node.js is open source server environment and is free. Node.js run on various platforms like Windows, Linux, Unix, macOS, etc. Node.js uses JavaScript on the server. Node.js runs single-threaded, non-blocking, asynchronously programming, which is very memory efficient. Now, let's understand what is module in Node.js. In JavaScript, the word modules refers to the small unit of independent reusable code. Consider modules to be the same as JavaScript libraries, a set of functions you want to include in your application. A node module is a reusable block of code those exist does not accidentally impact other code. You can write your own modules and use it in various applications. Node.js has a set of built-in modules which you can use without any further installation. So let's understand what is npm. npm is a node package manager for Node.js packages, or you can say modules if you like. npm hosts thousands of free packages to download and use. The npm program is installed on your computer when you install Node.js. A package in Node.js contains all the files you need for your module. Modules are JavaScript libraries you can include in your project. So let's see how you can download modules in your application. Downloading a package is very easy. Open a command line interface and tell npm to download the package you want. So I want to download a package called autocomplete. npm create a folder named node modules where the package will be placed. All packages you install in future will be placed in this folder. My package now has a folder structure like this. Now let's understand how to install Node.js on your local computer. First, you need to open your browser and search for Node.js. You will get the result and just click on the first official website of Node.js, and here you can download your Node.js application. From the official website, download the Node.js application by clicking on the green button right from here. Right? I already downloaded this application in my local computer, so I will just open this by double clicking on the file. Here you just need to run your application. Then you will get your welcome setup wizard window on the computer. So just say next here, accept terms and license agreement, and press next. Specify your Node.js path where you wanted to install this application. So I will just leave this as it is and just press next button. Press next and press install. Now just wait until your application being installed on your local computer. Now the application is installed on your computer. To check the application properly installed or not, call the command prompt. So I will just press Windows R because I am using Windows. So I will just say Windows R on my computer and say cmd and press enter. Now you will see your command prompt window open. To check your application is properly installed or not, just type command node-v. This command will check if the Node.js is installed on your local computer or not, and just print the version name on the command prompt. Right? So now the application is completely installed on your computer. To check npm is installed or not, you can just say npm-v. So you will get your version and confirmation that the npm is installed on your computer. So Node.js is completely installed on your computer. So we had set up the environment of React application. In the next lecture, we will create React application using npm. I hope you understand this lecture. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment. Answering the question specified in the comment will definitely help you to improve your knowledge and remember this topic more easily. That is all for now. We will see you in the next lecture.